Shaljam ka achar. So delicious, yummy and sour. Made by Shabina. Easy to make. Tasty. Let's make Shaljam. Bring to boil. Boil on high flame. It's boiled. Add in bucket. Carrot. Bring to boil. It's boiled. Add in bucket. Full gabe bring to boil. It's boiled. Add in bucket. Six tablespoon lal mirch. 8 tablespoon pusi rye. 8 tablespoon lishon paste. 8 tablespoon amak. 1 tablespoon haldi. 1 cup hot water. Half plate gur. Add in hot water. Add in bucket. Add 1 jug vegetables boil water. Mix well. Can use it after 3 to 4 days. Yummy delicious shalgam achar is ready. Delicious shalgam, gaya or gapika achar. Subscribe my channel. Made by Shabina. Allah Hafiz.